Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Black Panther is a 2018 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. Produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. It is the 18th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film was directed by Ryan Coogler, who co-wrote the screenplay with Joe Robert Cole and Itier Chadwick Boseman as Black Panther, alongside Michael B. Jordan. In Black Panther, T'Challa is crowned king of Uganda following his father's death, but he is challenged by Killmonger, who plan to abandon the country's isolating policies and begin a global revolution. What do you want in next video? Please comment in the comment section. Guys, if you are a new visitor in my channel, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Let's enjoy the full video.